Summer has a way of pulling us away from the routine, out of the house, off the clock, back to the moments that matter most. The early mornings before the world wakes up, long drives with nowhere particular to be, the kind of memories you don't plan for. Because the best drives aren't always about the destination.
Discover it all.
They're about who's beside you when you get there.
And see it all.
At Velocity, we build vehicles meant to be experienced, classic at their core, re-engineered for the way you drive today. Built for road trips, weekend escapes,
Discover it all.
and everywhere in between. Built to be driven. Built to be remembered. Your summer starts here.
Discover it all.